Okay, this is problem 17 from chapter 9 of CFIN7. So, compute traditional payback period, discounted payback period for a project cost. They cost $329,000 if it's expected to generate $94,000 a year for 5 years. Firm's required rate of return is 12%. So, payback period is, involves no discounting. So we can basically eyeball this. 4 times 9 is 360,000. So, and then there would 4,000 would be 16 more, so 376,000. So this project, the payback period is going to be less than 4 years, 3 years and something. But anyway, but that's all you're doing is determining how, there's no other calculation to it. You're just how long, at what point does the firm get all of its money back, ignoring discounting. So, all right, so cash flow function, second cash flow, second clear. So CF0 is 329,000. The C01 is 94,000. So it occurs 5 times. So F01 is 5. So payback and discounted payback are in the NPV function. So hit NPV and set I equal to 12.5. And you go down to payback, PB, and hit compute. That's 3.5 years. And the discounted payback period is 4.89 years. So, pull up the calculator. So second cash flow, second clear. So 329,000. Enter. Now C01 is 94,000. Enter. Now F01 is 5. Enter. Now we're going to NPV. So I is 12.5, 12.5. Enter. And we go down past NPV. Net future value to payback period, and hit compute, get 3.5. Now discounted payback period, compute 4.89 years.